Hey, in this video, I will show you how to show a cursor, just like so, a very simple one on your iPad. It's actually simpler than you think. So there's a few things you can do. First of all, you need something that has a cursor, either a touchpad, this is the Magic Keyboard, or a mouse that you can connect to your iPad. I'll connect mine to my iPad, just like so. It's connected right now, as you can see. So to actually have that, you just gotta have the newest Apple version. So you gotta go here, click on General, in the Settings tab, click on General, go to Software Update. In Software Update, you wanna be on the newest iOS version. iOS 26 is good enough. If you're not on iOS 6, another option is going to search right here and typing in accessibility. Not or accessories. No, it should be in accessibility. Here it is. So accessibility, and here we want to go back to the different options. We don't want voiceover. Here you have touch. You want to click on touch. Excessive touch, you can have it on, and if you have it on, you have this small pointer. But if you don't have it on, you have the actual mouse. This is it. Give me a like. See you next video. Bye.